Polkadot could see a 2.2% decrease by tomorrow, according to coin data flow. Before we begin, let's take a moment to look at the chart. Polkadot has improved by 1.1% since yesterday and is now holding around $1.238. Let's move into the projection roundup. Digital Coin Price believes the price could move to $1.244 by tomorrow, which is nearly 0.6% higher. Polkadot is expected to reach $1.24 per coin price forecast, marking a rise of around 0.2%. 30 Rates notes it might drift lower toward $1.225, a projected decrease close to 1%. A separate forecast from CoinDataFlow shows Polkadot could approach $1.21, an estimated decline of 2.2%. And last but not least, Traders Union expects $1.195 by April 30, a 3.4% downside. This one brings the highest potential reward. We've covered 5 analysts. Let's go forward. All 5 forecasts reviewed. Here's what they suggest in numbers. The shared data from these forecasts suggests the market could move from a drop of 3.4% to an increase of 0.6%, depending on the analyst. It appears Traders Union ends up with the highest projected return with 3.4% gain in value by tomorrow. After adding it all up, you could take in between $2 and $34 for every $1,000 you invest. In terms of probability, coin price forecast stands out with a 92.1% chance of success. From the complete set of 5 forecasts, I've created a shared projection. Based on the consensus view, Polkadot may drift toward $1.223, reflecting a 1.1% loss. Okay, let's open up the details. Consensus estimates reveal a 1.1% decline in price. Put another way, your capital may also advance by 1.1% in line with that forecast. On a 1,000 position, this might represent $11 gained. In turn, the probability of the consensus forecast holding up is around 88.1%. At this stage, let's see what analysts are forecasting over the 3-day horizon. Digital coin price indicates only marginal movement ahead. A move higher is suggested by coin price forecast. 30 Rates suggests Polkadot will retreat from current levels. Additionally, CoinDataFlow sees Polkadot on a downward slope. Likewise, Traders Union sees Polkadot trending lower. The consensus forecast shows Polkadot with a clear bias to the downside during this horizon. All in all, most analysts are leaning bearish on Polkadot in this horizon. 2 days ago, 5 sites posted forecasts for the day ahead. That day has already played out, so let's see how they matched. In the end, the price wrapped up the day at $1.229. Out of all forecasts, only one forecast matched the real direction. Crypto Predictions delivered the most accurate forecast. Let's put everything in order. Only one outlook aligned with the actual daily boundaries. Looking at ROI, some analysts managed to post gains, with CoinDataFlow performing best overall. Now on screen is the full results summary, how the forecasts performed after fact checking. Meanwhile, Crypto Predictions recorded 0.5% ROI with accuracy. Look through the data and see if your expectations match the results. Now you can see how Polkadot compares with other assets in the forecasted returns for tomorrow. At the top of the forecast ranking stands Fetch with 3% while Polkadot ranks lower. This section includes just 5 cryptocurrencies, and additional forecasts across many assets are already available on my website. Stay ahead of the crowd, subscribe to see new moves before they unfold. Catch you in tomorrow's forecast batch.